this isn't just a 1958 Chevrolet Impala, it's a rolling masterpiece worth $190,900, powered by a legendary tri-power V8 that defined an era of American luxury. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're stepping into the golden age of American automotive history with one of the most breathtaking classics ever built, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala, finished in an elegant Onyx Black paint, loaded with dazzling chrome, and powered by Chevrolet's legendary 348 cubic inch tri-power V8. This stunning masterpiece isn't simply a vintage car, it's a symbol of style, prestige, and timeless craftsmanship. Valued at an impressive $190,900, this Impala represents the very best of late 1950s American luxury. From the very first glance, the 1958 Impala commands attention unlike almost any classic car on the road. Its sweeping body lines, dramatic quad headlights, sculpted tail fins, and massive chrome bumpers instantly transport you back to an era when automobiles were rolling works of art. Every curve was designed to impress, and every detail reflected Chevrolet's ambition to create its most luxurious passenger car yet. The deep Onyx Black finish gives this Impala an unmistakable presence. As sunlight dances across its perfectly polished body, every chrome accent shines brilliantly. The mirror-like reflections emphasize the flawless paintwork, making this classic look as though it just rolled off the showroom floor in 1958. One of the most distinctive features on this car is its elegant Continental Kit, adding a sophisticated rear-mounted spare tire design that instantly elevates its luxury appearance. Combined with beautifully fitted fender skirts, the profile becomes even longer, smoother, and more refined. The factory-style chrome trim and stainless moldings remain one of the Impala's greatest visual strengths. Every piece complements the body perfectly, reminding us why chrome ruled the American automotive industry during the late 1950s. Beneath the hood sits the legendary 348 cubic inch Chevrolet V8, one of the most celebrated engines of its generation. This particular engine carries casting number 3751872, with a casting date of March 5th, 1958, confirming its period-correct heritage. What truly makes this engine unforgettable is the iconic tri-power induction system. Equipped with 3 Rochester 2-barrel carburetors, this setup was designed to deliver impressive performance while creating one of the most beautiful engine bays Chevrolet ever produced. Open the hood, and those 3 carburetors instantly become the centerpiece of attention for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Power is sent through a reliable TH350 3-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth shifting and relaxed cruising. While maintaining the classic driving experience, this transmission offers dependable operation that makes the car enjoyable on today's roads. Driving this Impala is remarkably effortless thanks to power steering, allowing easy maneuverability despite its impressive size. Whether you're cruising through city streets or rolling into a classic car show, the steering remains light and comfortable. Stopping power comes from factory power drum brakes, preserving the original driving character while offering confident braking performance appropriate for the era. Out back, the stock rear end is paired with a 3-3-6 Botich-1 gear ratio, perfectly balancing acceleration and highway cruising. It's exactly the type of setup Chevrolet intended for luxurious long-distance travel. Keeping the big V8 cool is an upgraded aluminum radiator, blending modern reliability with classic engineering. Even during warm summer cruises, the cooling system is ready to perform. Adding to the unmistakable soundtrack is a dual exhaust system, producing that deep, smooth V8 rumble every classic American car enthusiast loves. At idle, it whispers with confidence. Press the accelerator, and the legendary 348 comes alive with a rich, unmistakable tone that instantly commands attention. Supporting this beautiful machine is Chevrolet's traditional coil spring suspension, delivering the smooth, floating ride that defined luxury cruising during the 1950s. Every journey feels relaxed, comfortable, and effortlessly elegant. The finishing touches continue with gorgeous spinner hubcaps wrapped in authentic Coker Classic Whitewall tires, measuring 215/75 R14 on both the front and rear. These tires perfectly complete the period-correct appearance while providing dependable road manners. Opening the door reveals an interior that perfectly complements the sophisticated exterior. The tri-tone black and blue cabin captures the spirit of 1950s American design with bold colors, premium materials, and exceptional craftsmanship. The spacious double bench seating invites passengers to enjoy every mile in complete comfort. Unlike modern sports cars focused purely on performance, this Impala was built for relaxed cruising with family and friends. Directly ahead sits the beautiful factory steering wheel, maintaining the authentic driving experience exactly as Chevrolet intended. Behind it are the original style gauges, offering a clean, classic dashboard layout that's both functional and elegant. Mounted on the steering column is the classic column shifter, another hallmark of luxury American automobiles from this unforgettable era. While authenticity has been carefully preserved, the addition of an upgraded radio allows drivers to enjoy modern audio convenience without sacrificing the vintage appearance of the dashboard. Looking underneath, the quality of the restoration becomes immediately clear. The body-colored floors are exceptionally clean, while the black painted frame provides a crisp, factory-style presentation. New hardware throughout demonstrates the meticulous attention given during restoration. A new fuel tank ensures dependable performance for years to come, while every visible component reflects the care invested in preserving this remarkable automobile. What makes this particular 1958 Chevrolet Impala truly extraordinary is the balance between originality, tasteful upgrades, and show quality presentation. Every detail, from the gleaming chrome to the tri-power engine, the Continental Kit, the luxurious interior, and the spotless undercarriage, comes together to create one of the finest examples of Chevrolet's iconic flagship at $190,900. This isn't simply purchasing a classic car. It's investing in a piece of American history that represents the optimism, innovation, and bold styling of the late 1950s. Cars like this rarely come along, and when they do, they become the centerpiece of prestigious collections and concours events around the world. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala remains one of the most recognizable and admired classics ever produced. Its unforgettable styling, legendary 348 tri-power V8, luxurious appointments, and timeless elegance ensure it continues turning heads nearly 7 decades after it first debuted. If you enjoyed this incredible classic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another showcase of the world's most extraordinary collector cars. Which feature of this stunning 1958 Chevrolet Impala impressed you the most? The legendary 348 Tri-Pour V8, the elegant Onyx Black finish, or the iconic Continental Kit? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next automotive adventure.